Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to show you what is a servo, what's inside a servo, and how to use them with Arduino. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is our servo called SG90 and it has 3 pins. Black is ground, red is VCC and orange is signal pin. Now let's see what's inside a servo. For that I removed the shaft and 4 mounting screws. First I removed the bottom case and you can see there is a motor and a controller board. Then I removed the top case. You can see 4 gears there, which is used to reduce the RPM. At the same time it will increase the overall torque. Inside that gearbox there is a variable resistor which is used to give feedback to the controller. This controller board is based on KC8801 IC and which drives the motor backward and forward. It has internal H bridge. To control a servo, we need to send a PWM signal. The on time or the pulse length determines the position of the servo. So I connected servo to Arduino, VCC to 5V, ground to ground and signal pin to digital pin 9. Also I connected a variable resistor to analog pin. I am using servo.h library's example sketch. You can download servo.h library from my blog, link is in the description. After connecting and uploading code to Arduino, you can see everything is working perfectly. That is, when I turn the knob of variable resistor, the servo is rotating. Now let's see another example. I connected servo to breadboard. After uploading code, you can see servo is working. Hope you got some ideas about servos. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. With